Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a Toyota Highlander Limited all-wheel drive. This is a 7-passenger 4-door SUV in Blizzard Pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 driving on 19-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails, smart key system, and a power liftgate that allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside this Highlander and see what else it has to offer. Up here it's got our lock and unlock buttons. Those are our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. This Highlander does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. Taking a look in the door first. On the bottom you have some nice storage space. Above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Next to the handle you have your seating presets. And along the entire vehicle we do have this nice wood grain trim. Equipped with brown leather seating, and if we look on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. Next to the steering wheel you have your different lighting options, power liftgate, and you also have a heated steering wheel. Now let's hop in the Highlander, start it up. Here's the push start, foot on the brake, engine start button. We're going to take a look on the left first. These arrows right here will help you navigate through your entertainment display located in the center there. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right, this cluster will help you navigate through your multi-information display. On the bottom, you have your Toyota Safety Sense buttons with lane departure assist and dynamic cruise control. And behind the wheel, you do have your cruise control speed settings. Moving on to our screen here, right now we're on home. It's got a split screen going with the navigation map, any device that might be connected, and any audio that might be playing. You can also press that and the map will enlarge. If we go ahead and press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Backup camera as usual. You got two views here, one directly behind, and on the side you have this 360 bird's eye view. Moving down to our climate control system, this Highlander does have a tri-zone climate control system, so you got one on the left for you, one on the right for the passenger, and you got settings in the back for the rear passengers. Down below you have this shelf that runs along the entire side, and if we just remove that piece you can run a cable through there and that'll come right under there. Frees up any mess that might be going on down. If we look under, you have your USB, auxiliary, and a 12-volt outlet. Here you have your different drive modes. Next to the shifter you have your two cup holders, and behind the shifter you have your driver and passenger heated, cooled seats. Center console slides open. Plenty of space, goes all the way down. You got the shelf up top as well. And if we move that, you got a 12-volt outlet in there as well. Just close that right up. And lastly, of course, is the glove box. If we open that up, there's plenty of space. But now why don't we close that right up. Now before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door you have some storage just like the driver's side. Behind the two front seats you do have these nice little pockets for some extra storage, and of course we are continuing with this brown leather seating. If we go inside, behind the center console, the rear passengers have their own climate control settings. If we pull this up, they got the little shelf and two cup holders in there. And if we pull this up, the seats do fold down, and that'll give you access to your third row seating. So to open up, all we got to do is hold this third button on the key fob, and that power liftgate will open up for you. Nice and easy. Like we showed, we do have the third row seating up right now. They do go down as easy as pulling these up. And down they go. Lots of cargo space in the Highlander. Of course, the second row seating goes down as well, and that'll give you some extra bit of space. If we look inside on the sides, we do have some two cup holders for those third row passengers. On the left side here, it does tuck in, allowing for extra space. And lastly, if we look underneath here, you do have your tools to change your spare tire that's located underneath the vehicle, as well as some storage compartments on the left. close up, all we got to do is press this button right up top and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our Toyota Highlander Limited. Once again, some of those great interior features include your brown leather heated seats, navigation, backup camera, and Bluetooth compatibility. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name's Christian, and as always, drive safe.